Hey guys, just wanted to show you a video on how to get rid of these lines right here when doing sublimation. You can see I cut out my design. You can see the lines down here, you can see them up here. It's not super visible. I'm hoping you can see it in the video, but it is still there and I still do not like it on my shirts. So I'm going to show you what to do to get rid of those lines. So what you can do is just do like a feathered tear. This helps feather out the paper so those lines don't show up. And I'm not 100% sure why they don't show up when you do the feather tear, but I know that they don't. So that's what I do. I think it's because it kind of like takes a little bit of the paper from the back and the front of it. So keep doing that all the way around and I can show you what it looks like. So I think it doesn't make the paper as thick all the way around, so it doesn't go through as much. So I'm going to leave the top up here, but you can see that I feathered this way. See how it takes a little bit of the paper to back off with it? So I am going to press it and show you what it looks like. And as you can see now with this newest print, there's absolutely no lines. So that feathering definitely works. Looks like there's a line here, but it's just a crease in the shirt. So definitely feather your designs. Turns out a lot better.